It's the end of February and it's almost spring now, so I went to Sainsbury's to buy some bulbs and seeds. So first I have the Bleeding Heart 30 bulbs Summer Bright collection. So there is Dahlia, Ixias, Lilium, and Ranunculus. So yeah, I'm excited to plant this. 30 bulbs per pot collections. And there is another Dahlia, Freesia, Bee Attracting Garden. It's just an assortment of bright flowers. Agapatus. 30 pink anemone. Mixed pastel dahlias. Looks like that. And this is where I'm going to plant all my seeds and bulbs. Good luck to me. It's the end of February and this is my garden. Flowers are all gone. So let's start planting. First of all, I'm going to plant the dahlias. I need a bigger pot for this. So here's my bulbs. I just have to plant it and see what happened. 3 bulbs in every shell. This is my first time to plant, so I'm not quite sure what I'm doing. Might work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bulbs. Let's see what's this one. This is a bit bigger. They only have 2. Put it there. And I want you to grow. This one loads. This is what you call trial and error. I spent £25 for all of this. If at least 5 grows with lovely flowers, then I'm happy with that. 1, 2, 1 more. And then there's another one. Another shell. This is all-purpose compost. Should be for seedling. But it's the only one available here, so this is what I'm going to use. Again, if it grows, it grows. If not, then it's fine. I'll try to open this too. It's Bleeding Hearts and Agapanthus. This is the Bleeding Heart. And this is the Agapanthus. Oh, it's coming out now. Now, this is really big, so maybe I need a bigger pot for this. It's not very dark. Okay, so that's it for me. As you can see, it's very dark, but I still managed to plant at least 4 of the boxes. Okay, so it's the 1st of March, and this is how my garden looks like. What I'm going to do is to prune some of these plants. I have more daffodils here, but it hasn't flowered yet. And this one here. This is hydrogenias. I'm gonna prune that. These are the roses, and it started to produce leaves. This one here, I need to cut this. All of this. And as you can see, there's something growing there. I need to remove some of this. This dead grasses needs to go. Daffodils coming out. And this is the rest of the bed. All I have to do is to remove the dried leaves, and it looks cleaner. This one here is solanum. Everything that looks dead needs to go.
What are you doing?
Cleaning garden. See that? See, I'm going
It's already dead.
No, no, it's not dead. And then it
Because the apple hasn't grown yet.
the
No
apple
leaves.
have no leaves, but it will grow again. So that's what I'm doing. This is my acer, and this is a lavender, and these are all chrysanthemum here. But it looks dead, so I need to cut this. See if it will grow again. We're currently here in Hillier Garden Center. Look at the flowers. Gonna buy some of this. Maybe I'll have the yellow one, Digitalis. Digitalis Foxy Group. And then, kasi 3 for 10 eh. Oh, this one is beautiful. I also need one of these for cutting. I didn't realize there's so many types of cutter. I don't know which one to buy. I also need to buy one of these all-purpose plant food hydrogenia colorants. I want my hydrogenia blue spray bottle, bench cover for my chair in the garden, fungal fighter plus spray after plant food for the roses, and this is seed sowing compost. Plantita and plantitos. And now I'm here in my garden. It's now 6 o'clock in the evening. I'm going to apply this all-purpose plant food and then the rose food. This is my first time to apply plant food in my garden, so I'm really happy with this. It's Saturday today and it's actually warm outside. So these are my plants that I bought from Hillier's Garden. I think it's now time for this to be planted outside. These are all summer plants apart from Irigium, which is summer and autumn. Lupin is summer plant, Penstemon, Lupin again, Catananchi, Dianthus, another Dianthus, but it's different color, Digitalis, Delphinium. So yeah, maybe we're gonna plant all that here. Ay! What have I done? I managed to plant everything that I bought from Hillier's. It's going to be my first time to plant bulbs direct to the ground, and I'm planting Ixias, Yellow Emperor. So I have 16 bulbs here, and there are small growths coming out. So hopefully this will grow. As you can see, there is already growth. Planting deep 10 centimeter. That's lilium, and it's gonna go here beside the apple tree, because I want this to grow. So that's one of the lilium in. Good luck. In this corner beside the roses, I'm also going to plant one lilium. There is the lilium inside. Put some of this, whatever that is. And some fertilizer. I have one more lilium here. I'll see what happens if I plant it in this spot. I have one lilium in the pot, and the other two is in the ground. There we are. In this pot, I'm going to plant a dahlia and put some stones. We need to grow dahlia. That's how it looks like. Fertilizer. Okay, let's water the helium. And water the roses as well. And the lupin. It's the end of March and this is how my garden is looking. Okay, first of all I'm gonna show you my plants. Look, it's coming out. Well, the second container, it hasn't grown anything yet. But I want to show you this one. That's a bleeding heart. The fencing needs changing and we're sorting that out. The forsythia is blooming. The cannaville is thriving. The flaming silver is flowering. And the red king is sprouting. So hopefully by April we have more flowers. It's a huge tree right on top of our garden and here in the conservatory. So the plan is to cut some of this so it's more manageable. And someone is here cutting it for us. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye! Thank you guys for watching. Bye.